Welcome to an authentic self visualization for remembering the self that's already within you. I call in the support of the celestial realm, specifically that of Archangel Uriel, Jeremiel, Raphael, Jophiel, Gabriel, and Ariel. Find a comfortable position where you can relax without distraction. Gently close your eyes if that feels comfortable. Take a slow, deep breath in and an even slower breath out. Again, inhale deeply and exhale completely. Allow your breathing to settle into a natural rhythm. With each breath, allow yourself to become more present, more grounded, more connected to this moment. There is nothing you need to achieve right now, nothing you need to fix. Simply allow yourself to be. Now imagine yourself walking along a beautiful path through nature. With every step, you feel lighter, more relaxed, more open. As you continue walking, you arrive at a beautiful clearing space of warm, gentle light. In the center of this space is a comfortable place to sit. As you settle in, notice a figure approaching you. With each step, you recognize something familiar. This is your authentic self, the part of you that has always existed beneath expectations, beneath fear, beneath old stories and conditioning. Notice how this version of yourself carries you, calm, grounded, present. There is no need to compare yourself. You are already a part of yourself. Simply take a moment to observe. Notice your posture, your expression, the quiet confidence you carry, the peace you radiate. As you sit together, silently ask, what do you want me to remember? Allow whatever arises to come naturally. It may be a word, a feeling, an image, or simply a sense of knowing. There is no right or wrong experience. Now ask yourself, what quality within me is ready to be expressed more fully? Now listen. Perhaps it's courage, compassion, patience, creativity, joy, trust, or authentically itself. Simply notice what comes forward. Listen. Your authentic self smiles warmly, reminding you that these qualities have never been missing. It has simply been waiting for your attention. Now ask one final question. What is one small way I can express my authentic self today. Listen. Trust the first gentle answer that comes up. One conversation, one decision, one boundary, one act of kindness, one moment of honesty. Whatever comes forward is enough. Just listen. As you prepare to leave, your authentic self places a hand over your heart. You instinctively do the same. As your hands rest over each other's hearts, imagine the light within yourself gently flowing into you. There is no separation, no distance, only the remembering that this wisdom has always lived within you. Silently repeat, I trust the wisdom within me. I honor who I am truly. I choose to live with authenticity. Take one slow, deep breath in and gently breathe out. Now begin bringing your awareness back to your body. Notice the surface supporting you. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Remember, you are not becoming someone new. You are remembering who you have always been. Every intentional choice is an opportunity to express your authentic self. Welcome home. I want to thank you for practicing this, and I want to thank the support of the Celestial Realm.